Yo guys, what's going on? I'm George and this is You Wanna Watch. This week's something pretty cool. I got an Athol, 6'2", 3.5. I say we get right into it. Let's go. Alright guys, let's get a good look at this thing. Like I said, it's the Athol, 6'2", 3.5. Let me do some quick measurements on this. It is a 3.5-inch jaw, 3.5 exact. Try and figure out what these numbers represent. It's probably a max opening of 6-inch. That's bigger than 6-inch. No, it's not. We always think it's bigger. Alright, right there, 6 inches. And I'd say she's pretty much maxed out. Yep. So, at least we know what we're working with here. So we try and take her apart. What do you guys think? You know, for a small vise, this thing's pretty hefty. I did spray a little bit of penetrant down there earlier. I wanted to see if it would loosen it up. Oh. Don't know if that's going to do anything, but John, don't watch this. Try and give it a little bit of a shock, you know. Son of a bitch. Hold it with my chin. Oh, messed up. Holy crap! Oh. Holy crap! Alright. That's how you want to play it? Is that how you want to play it? Holy shit. I gotta get a damn cheater pipe on this thing. I don't even have a pipe in this place. Nope. Look at that. Snap the head right off of that. So much for the power of Hinsdale, huh? Is there something I'm missing? Snap that completely off there. That is something. Never thought that that would happen. Alright guys, well, this one didn't turn out as I thought it was going to. I could not for the life of me get that screw out of there. I don't know what is going on with it. It still spins fine, but yeah, I just can't get it out of there. I've tried everything. Heat, I soaked it in Evapo-Rust for about 7 days, and this is where we're at. So we're going to change pace a little bit on this. I'm going to use my mini grinder with the cup wheel, knock the rest of the dust off it, clean it up a little bit, and that'll be that on this one. Let's go. Pretty nice. Not bad. Let's go put this vise back together. So we're just putting a real thin trace grease on this. Nothing major. Get that done. There we go. Slide it off here so I can get the screw started. A small trace of grease in there. I just don't want this to rust up like that bottom nut did. That's crazy. I've never seen anything rust up that bad before. It's like concreted in there. Alrighty guys, Athol 6'2", 3.5. We got it cleaned up, looking a little bit better. We couldn't get the screw out of the bottom. I tried like hell to do it, but it just wouldn't work. I threw heat at it, penetrating oil, soaked it in Evapo-Rust for 7 days, still couldn't do it. If this is something that you guys think that I should revisit, throw it in the comment section. If not, I'm just going to release it into the wild. So, like always guys, stay safe, be safe. We'll see you next week with another video. Bye. Athol. Would you call me?